Because I like that you mentioned that it's not tied to the degree, and I fully agree that degree is just degree. All right. So you'll be surprised that the skills and experience that I mentioned later on, which is about three of that, is nothing related to my study at all. Okay.
Mm.
The first one, these three skills are very related to each other, right? I'm sure whoever that is listening to this, you agree to this as well. The first skill that I really learned about is about the networking skill, right?
Mm.
It's not about who you know, right? Of course, you can know a lot of people, but it's also about who know you as well, right? So networking is about providing values and gaining values for others through what? Through the exchange of information, right? You share something with others, and others share with you, and that's where you build up a rapport with others, right? So networking skill is really so. Back then, I do involved in a lot of events, and that's why I know a lot of people, and a lot of the different opportunity came up, and I just grab whatever that's relevant to me. So that's the first skill that I think is very important, no matter what degree you are in. Then the second skill, of course, when you are doing networking, you need to talk, right? So this is where
Mhm.
effective communication came in, right? So you need to know how to articulate your ideas, communicate with others about your ideas, what you want to do, right? And what you want others to do for you, right? So this is where effective communications come in, right? And with all these things coming when you're doing networking, all right, and effective communication, you are actually needing another skill where didn't realize it's a personal branding. All right. You need
Mm.
to kind of put yourself out there, right? Hey, I'm Vincent right here. This is what I can do. All right. I can offer you to do this and that. Well, businesses are there, right? So they'll tell you what they can do and all that. So this is your personal branding. You are yourself. You are carrying your own name. How do you brand yourself? What you can do, all right, and so on. And this is where I find out the personal branding, which I think a lot of folks also sharing about, like linking. How do you brand yourself out there in this digital world? So I feel that this is very important. And all in all, for these three very related skills, growth mindset is everything. Okay.
Mm.
You can have a lot of skills and experience, but the growth mindset is the one that will make the big difference. So I just wanted to have a quote by our CEO Satya. You can learn it all instead of know it all, right? Because the technology is changing. So you can learn it all, right? We can say with a growth mindset, right? You can accept the challenge. Yeah, I can learn it, right? Instead of know it all, right? So I think these are the three very related skills. And of course, this is all bounded by the growth mindset in there.